Sorry, dude.
Oh yeah, I turned on 2 audio sources so you could hear my friend out of there, but then you could also hear me really good through here. I turned on two audio devices. Okay, so you can see this little thing right here, right? Right, you can see this?
Megatron.
Not no more. Okay, here we go. So today we're playing Fistful of Gun.
Just kidding.
We're gonna play as
Zeke.
Here, let's see if we can play as Noah. It never lets me. It never freaking lets me. Okay. I guess we're playing as this dude. Since
Zeke.
Okay. So I'm right there.
He's right there.
Woo!
Wait.
I have played this game before. I just got the idea to record it.
Sorry.
Ah! Wah!
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Dun. Yo, me and Mario on the game. We probably know the game, so it's
Yeah! Wait, what? I died? What? Okay, I guess we're off to adventure to the wonderful lands. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
No.
Ah, I dodged that like a sir.
Like a sir.
Like a sir.
Like a sir.
Ah! I look awesome. I'm like meh, 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 meh. Okay. Continue. Retarded rifle. I have the retarded rifle.
Ow!
What? What? What?
These guys. No, that's a hologram, stupid.
Oh, like from Halo.
No. Yeah.
Mew, 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 me.
Stop weaving. You're making them better by doing it.
Oh yeah, there was copyright at the bottom of the screen, so I didn't put it in there. So the bottom half of the screen is cut off because of copyright issues. What?
Yeah. Freaking Baconator here was about to start recording. I'm like, dude, there's copyright. Shh, shh, shh. Copyright, dude.
I don't know why I can't play as the other guy. It's just not letting me. Oh, what? I shot. I'm freaking sucking right now.
You suck.
This game is harder than it looks. Seriously.
No, it's not.
TNT!
Oh my good freak.
Well, that worked well, didn't it?
Yes.
Meowie wowie. What? What? What?
And you didn't dodge it. I bet you guys are like,
He shot a bullet and he did not die. See, I freaking randomly shoot for some reason. God, this game is like a rage game if you don't know how to play it.
I bet you guys are like freaking out because how loud Kate.
Yeah, the mic is freaking right next to my mouth. I just realized that. I should probably move it.
Yeah, stupid.
Oh, I can't continue. God. Okay, well, it's my friend's turn.
I don't even know how to play.
You play, okay?
I don't even know how to move. Yeah.
No. No! Yeah, cute puppy.
Who else saw that bacon?
Bacon pop.
My turn. I get the headphones. Okay. My friend is playing right now, and I hope you guys can. Hey guys, how you doing? Here, do you want to play this shotgun gun? Ready? It won't freaking work, man. I want to play Zeke. I don't even know how to move.
Oh, you hold in the click button.
And how do I shoot?
You hold in the right button.
Oh, okay.
That's all you need to know. Oh yeah, the reload you hold in the right button. Okay.
Oh, hello.
You're invisible right now. That's this guy's perk. He starts off invisible.
Boom. Oh god. Okay, how?
Better than it looks.
How do I reload?
You hold in the right click. It's the same as to shoot. Ooh, get the new gun. The heavy rifle. Oh, someone already took it.
Flip nugget.
Run, run, run. Do never stand in front of a crowd when you're reloading.
I don't care. Fup. You were standing in front of a
Boom.
wall, so it wouldn't even hit him.
Then how did they hit me?
Because there was a little opening.
Fatties. I just shot.
You can't shoot. You have to reload. Duh.
No, it made me shoot.
Oh yeah. Heavy rifle. Yeah, we're going heavy rifle. You only have 3 bullets, so make it count. Oh yeah, for every hit you get another bullet. So. Wow, you shot 5 bullets. Wow, then you died. Wow, you're so good at this game.
I know. No, I really am. Actually, not that bad.
That's what they all say. I don't know what. Wow.
I kicked a monkey, then I used a goat. Thanks. Stop hitting buttons, stupid. Good job, Cade. You made me scream so loud that these guys probably just lost their ears.
My ear is falling off. Thanks to YouTube. I don't like this website anymore. Okay, my turn. Wow, you did great.
Did you guys hear a loud boom?
He truly did great, didn't he? Okay.
I did do better than Cade.
Well, let's see how long we've been recording for. I don't know. I can't check the time. I can't.
Click on the recording button.
Show recording toolbar. There we go. 6 minutes. Stupid minion rush. Okay.
Ooh, I want to play Minion Rush.
Then play if you fucking want to. Okay.
Okay, I'll play it.
Okay, I'm gonna do something really quick. Hold on. We're back.
We're back.
There's also kind of this like music. Oh, we can play the shotgun dude now. I'm so fast. Oh, I love this guy so much. Woo. My God.
I need to play Scribblenauts. And I'm going to take
Boxes? You're coming with me. Yeah. No, stupid boxes! You're no longer trustworthy! Ah! Freaking hurt. You are.
God.
What? Oh, does it feel like it? Why else? It's funny because the people watching this video. Whoa!
Why can't my guy jump?
I was doing so well.